Okay guys, so let's see how you can turn this into this.
Violence.
So guys, first of all, open your browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Chrome here, and type download Vsco mode APK, just like I'm typing. Now click on the first link and scroll little bit down. You can see a download APK button here. Press on that button and close the ad. Now your APK will be downloaded automatically. Now in the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Click there and click on the download button. You can see your downloaded APK here. Press it and click on install. Okay, so I have installed the app. You can see it right here. Open it, and in the down you can see the plus button. Click on that and click on videos. Now you can select your videos from here. Now click on import. After the video is imported, select your video, and at the bottom right click on the edit button. Now just after the preset button you can see a button named tools. Click on that. Now you can see an option named speed. Now you can see some kind of sliders at the bottom. Slide the button until the left until it says 0.1x. While sliding the button, make sure that it is smooth. You can see here is highlighted in yellow. Make sure that it is turned on. If this will not be turned on, then your video will be like the first clip I've shown you. It will flicker like 30 FPS and will look like you have edited in an ordinary video editor. This Vsco app is special for this feature only, because it actually adds some kind of extra frames into your video so that your video looks smooth. That is the main reason why I prefer to use this app. Otherwise you can see here I turned off the smooth button and the video is not so smooth. Now you can see the next button at the top right corner. Click on that next, then click on save and post.
Money on my neck of money.